What's up, YouTube? Alright, so today we're going to be giving a brief little rundown on how to load and unload your gun. So this is basically for beginners who are looking for a little bit of guidance. So we'll start off. We're going to be demonstrating with a Glock 19. This is a Gen 4. So let's get started. So magazine, show you how to do it with the speed loader. You could do it with your hand, but you know, after a while you may start cramping up, especially if you've never done it before. So I recommend using the speed loader if you're new, basically. So speed loader, you want to put it over your magazine. You know, grab a round, push down on the speed loader, push the round back in there, lift up on the speed loader, push the round in. So we'll do it a couple more times just for demonstration purposes. In there, nice and snug in there, push back. And you'll see when the tension starts to, you know, get a little bit more difficult to push it down. Just make sure you keep an account on your rounds, which on this magazine, on this one, you know, you'll be able to start to see like actual metal, you know, from the round being in that location. Alright, so now that that's done, set that aside. Grab your gun with your dominant hand. You know, just less room for error. Just keep it in the hand you're most comfortable with, you know, your dominant hand. Get your magazine, slam it in there. Keep it simple, you know. So we'll load it. Make sure you're being careful. You know, you don't want to have your hand like this. Just keep it away from the trigger, especially if you're not in a position you're going to be shooting. And this is for demonstration purpose, so disclaimer, I don't want anyone getting hurt and blaming me for it. So there you go. Now you have a round chambered. Now we're basically going to do a brief rundown on how to unload this. So safely, the first things first, release the magazine. So you want to push the mag release, just let it drop out. You know, stay as close as possible. You don't want to, you know, have your magazine fall on the ground because you're trying to look cool and catch it from, you know, a foot away and you miss it or something. So remember, keep your finger away from the trigger, keep your finger off of the trigger, and don't try to catch the bullet. I've seen guys like flip the gun upside down and, you know, pull the slide back and try to catch the bullet, and don't do that. It's just less room for error. If something happens, this round goes off, you know, you don't want your fingers getting caught in between that. So just basically just let it fall. You know, 25 cents for a round is not worth you hurting yourself over. That's it. So before you clear this gun, check it. Just want to make sure you don't have anything in there before you clear it. Or you just want to make sure it's cleared. Sorry. And that's basically it. You know, pick your round up, put it back. If you're just gonna put the rounds back in the box or something, if you don't want them in there, slide it out. That simple. And that's it, guys. Alright, until next time, see you guys later.